everybody, how are you? I'm your host Navneeta and you are watching Funasia's Showroom. And this is an initiative that has been brought to you by our CEO, Vaishali Thakkar, and that is Funasia's CEO. And under Funasia's Showroom, we bring into you a world of collections from different clients who show you a sneak peek into what they have to offer. And today you are for a treat because we are bringing to you a world of beautiful jewelry by Sangeeta under her label Expressions by Sangeeta. Let me welcome Expressions by Sangeeta on the airwaves of Funasia. Hi Sangeeta, how are you doing today?
Doing good, Navneeta. I'm doing great. How are you doing? What a beautiful day, and thank you so much for having me here.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Sangeeta, for showcasing your beautiful collection, which I love so much. Tell me, what is Expressions by Sangeeta?
Before I go there, Navneeta, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you very much to Vaishali Thakkar for allowing me this opportunity. And to, of course, you, thank you so much for hosting me. I am beyond thrilled. And also want to say thank you to Funasia for providing us this platform and reaching out to our audiences today. So,
thank you.
Yeah, Navneeta, you asked me what is Expressions by Sangeeta. I want to start off telling you that Expressions by Sangeeta is a small jewelry business. In our collection, you will find jewelry that is exciting, that is high quality, that is stylish, that is really well priced. And I want to pause and let you know that all the jewelry at Expressions by Sangeeta, I actually handpick each of them. And I pick them and I try really hard to make it just one single piece of each item and thereby making each piece unique in itself.
Awesome.
Jewelry in our collection is going to appeal to all our audiences here today. Jewelry that's going to make them feel elated, jewelry that gives you joy. That is Expression.
Can't wait to have that sneak peek, guys. Tham ke baiti apna dil, that's what I say, because she has some amazing collection. Let's see that.
Okay. So chokers is another big deal right now. People want to wear chokers. I have all kinds of chokers. The very first choker that you see is a two-tone choker. It would go really well with gold or silver outfit or even colorful, really. You know, the red rubies come out, they hang low, and they look really gorgeous. The one on the rightmost side is a very pretty, elegant, exquisite piece, I would say, with gold and kundan stones and in the teardrop style. And teardrop style just gives that very elegant, very fleeting kind of look. I want to certainly talk about the centerpiece, and that piece is it's a multicolored choker with lots of uniform white beads falling at the bottom, and the multicolors or the variety of colors on the choker itself lends for it to be the focal point of any outfit or any attire, especially if you're wearing it with a white dress or with a black dress. Or I would say this choker absolutely complements with any of the colors that you would pick. For example, the model is wearing a sea green outfit and the choker picks up that color.
Absolutely, I can see that. It's gorgeous. It's not overwhelming that other colors are, it's distracting you, but it really picks up that color. Very rightly said.
Yeah, and in fact, for that reason, I would say this is one of the most versatile pieces you would want to have in your jewelry collection, because you could, as I said, wear it with a white outfit, a black outfit, or any other color and make use of it and enjoy it over and over again with multiple outfits. I really like this choker. I hope you do too.
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you so much. Those are such lovely collections.
We're going to actually start with this collection, Navneeta. I think this is a beautiful one. You know how we're not doing big parties, but are rather meeting in backyards and making it special. And we also want to mark the festival, the occasion. So we're going to start with showing people how we can make that happen. We're going to talk about some elegant pieces. Starting with the one here, it's a silver tone, intricate piece with matching earrings right there. The model is wearing a two-tone one. If you'll see on the right hand side, it's a two-tone jewelry set. It is made it in a modern square design with matching earrings, and also the bracelet is a modern square design. But the highlight is actually on the piece that's in the center. And the highlight is on this beautiful piece that is placed in the paisley design with stones in the center. And it's a uniform design. And then the same coordinated look is also in the earrings. And
Beautiful.
yeah, thank you.
And I just love that Mangtika. It's gorgeous. I've never seen something like that, which drops like that paisley.
Exactly. So the whole idea was to talk about Mangtika because one, it is a very highly sought after item. Two, because it has that beautiful, unique design, the paisley as you just mentioned. Third thing is that this is a very popular style with the youngsters as well. And as I said, we don't want to go into those big parties or dress really elaborate, but want to mark the occasion. So this actually makes for a perfect piece to bring out the festivity as well as keeping it small and sober. I love this.
That's how. Thank you. Sorry to cut you, but that's how I see fashion moving now. Because with the norms that are changing, small parties yet keeping the festivity intact. People who are watching Fun Asia's Facebook Live right now. This is Fun Asia's showroom, and with us we have Expressions by Sangeeta. Sangeeta, this is a beautiful collection, and I completely agree that it is perfect for these small parties that we have.
Right. Thank you. Well, I also wanted to share that we have contemporary pieces, and this is a contemporary collection.
I love this.
Yeah, I know you love it, Navneeta. When I was putting this together, I absolutely was thinking of you all the time. I'm like, Navneeta is really going to enjoy this. So let me tell our audiences. The one on the left side is a black and white long rope, actually, which you could wear in several ways. One way is to wrap it around a couple times and make it short. The other one is, as we are seeing on the picture right here. And, it would depend on what you're wearing, what the occasion is, how high that sandal heel is, you would bring out that look. You like it short or you like it long. On the other side, the model's wearing a white blouse, and you can see that green necklace. It's sitting so well. It's a perfect one for going to work. And if you're not going to work, but you want to be on a Zoom call, this is a great piece. See it all the way through, very clean and clear. It's very sophisticated, very stylish. And, I can see also that we can enjoy wearing this like when we go out for our lunches on the weekends.
Beautiful.
With this piece as well, because you could wear it with any color you want. You could wear it with shades of green or a black or a white. It will do its job really well. My favorite piece in this collection, however, is the one in the center. And this one I call...
Mine too.
I call this one as the Bold Expressions by Sangeeta. I mean, look at it. The three big purple agate stones just sit there, leaving no room for anything else because you don't need anything else. This is when we allow the jewelry piece to do its talking, to make your presence felt, to talk about your style and make it your statement piece. I absolutely love this, and we have quite a few pieces in our contemporary collection.
Super.
For festivals, right? So festive fashion pieces right here. The first one I want to talk about is a temple jewelry. A lot of people love wearing temple jewelry, and right now is the perfect time. I love how the pearls come down, but I think what's important is an intricate design in the earrings as well as in the pendant piece of it. Very
beautiful. Nice. Oh my God, this temple jewelry is so much in vogue, and it also gives that festive feeling to this entire time.
In fact, when you wear like something like this, it actually helps mark the occasion too. If you're at home and you're doing puja and you wear something like this, it makes you feel very, very festive.
Very classy.
Yeah, very classy, very sophisticated. It's one of my favorite pieces in the festive collection for me. The other one I like, I want to talk about is what I call the Bollywood piece. I mean, look at how magnificent that is. I know we watched sets like that in that movie. I think it was Padmavat.
Padmavat, yeah. Deepika Padukone. Totally, it reminds me of her.
Yeah. So this is a choker basically extended down, a very heavy look but then complemented perfectly well with the stud earrings. I think this is a very neat piece. You probably want to have one in your jewelry closet, if I may say. The other one that is really popular these days, Navneeta, are the long ones. These beads, the layers of beads that come all the way towards the center of the necklace and even lower, and then you'd see the double layer of embellishments around it. It's a very, very classy piece. And you can do a lot of things with that kind of piece. You can wear it with a sari, or maybe something that's solid, like the model is wearing. She's wearing the hot pink, and the blue goes really well with it. This blue would also be complemented with if you put a white against it, or like a cherry red against it, or even a metallic gold color. Really, it brings out the festivity in a different way. Last but not the least on this slide here is the picture of a model wearing the peacock choker. It is set amid stones and pearls and the intricate design, and it all comes together in a choker, and then it's coordinated so well with this really nice big piece of earring. It is peacock with 3 long nice jhumkas falling, and I don't know if you can see, but the subtle red color stones all around makes it for that ethnic look that you're looking for on this festive occasion.
That is so beautiful. Really. There are different pieces that you have picked up, Sangeeta, but I know you have a huge collection, and you have more to it, and people can make appointments with you to see the entire collection. But these are just one of pieces that you have picked up from different sides of your ethnic collection, the festive wear, which you're calling.
Yes, absolutely. You got that right. You've seen my collection. This is just an idea. I would want to say a glimpse into what we offer at Expressions by Sangeeta. Having said that, I mean, we saw a lot of jewelry sets, like necklace sets, but I also have tons of earrings. I have big earrings, small earrings, medium earrings, neutral color, bright, not so bright, statement earrings, sober earrings, all kinds of earrings, and they come in handy. And while we're talking about earrings, when do we want to wear earrings only? Well, if you have an outfit which has a high neckline, or if you have an outfit that already has a lot of work on it, maybe embroidery, maybe some other kind of embellishments, all you need really at that time is a pair of smart earrings.
Absolutely.
That's
I love
all
this.
you need.
Just the earring just makes it, and you have a nice neckline to go with it. Just earring is what you need.
And the same applies to the other side. Come holidays, we'll be wearing red dress, a black dress, an off-shoulder dress maybe, which you don't want to change the focus of the neckline on those dresses. All you do is then again wear beautiful earrings, and that's all you need.
That's all you need.
A little bit more would be like I would wear a smile, and I would wear some subtle makeup, and wear that statement earring, and let those things do the talking that time.
So, that really goes very well together. The smile, the little bit of makeup, and these lovely earrings. You were very well said, Sangeeta.
Earrings only they start around $30 all the way to $65.
And so what is your collection for the sets? How do you price it as?
Yeah, so overall, I'd say the way to think of Expressions by Sangeeta is price range in the collections we have start at $30 all the way to $300. So the sets also start around, I have some at $75 all the way to $300.
That's awesome. I know your pricing is so amazing, because this is what I got from you, and I love it so much. I wear it at different occasions. I pair it up with different things, and I just feel it's a statement piece. And I know it is affordable, and I get your pieces from you. And I just love what you are wearing as well, Sangeeta. It's gorgeous for this time, right?
Well, thank you so much. I thought it's festive time. I should just press it up. Why not? So I've got the kundan set on with these jhumka earrings, and I've worn them before, and people asked and to really like this together. And similarly, I have quite a few more sets in kundan, and I have a lot of jhumkas and so on and so forth. We have bangles, we have rings, we have gifts, we have a lot. Navneeta, before we move further, I do want to compliment you. I love the way you paired that necklace with the black blouse, and it looks just beautiful, just amazing.
And it's the same thing when I was looking at this piece that you are wearing. If you even go for a very high-end wedding where you're very dressed up, it's so beautiful. It just looks real, to tell you
Yeah.
frankly.
Yeah, that's the whole idea. I guess wear that one piece that makes you think, it's more elaborate than it is, larger than life. And this piece does it. This piece does it every time, unfailingly. Navneeta, your set looks really good, and since we talked about yours, I do want to talk about Sonali a little bit. Sonali is also a very good friend, and she gets excited about buying jewelry with Expressions by Sangeeta. And I thought, we'd see what she might have to say.
Awesome.
Beautiful, aren't they? Look at my earrings from Expressions by Sangeeta. Sangeeta has one of the most exquisite collections of jewelry here around the DFW area. I know it because every time I wear these and her other pieces, I get a lot of compliments. I think they're pretty high quality. That's what I like about her jewelry. A very vast selection. There's something for everyone. And just the way that she exhibits and she displays her jewelry. I remember buying these and a bunch of other things from her over wine and cheese and a whole lovely spread with some very relaxing music playing in the background. So she makes it an entire lifestyle shopping experience. Thank you, Sangeeta.
Oh, that was so wonderful. Sonali is a very, very sweet friend of mine, and I love those earrings. I don't know, why did I not see it before to have picked those up? She has an amazing taste, and the way she dresses up and the way she has her her clothes and jewelry, I just love what she wears.
Yes,
she picked up very good.
She has a keen eye, just like you do. And same thing, you all dress really well, and those the jewelry pieces really complement the outfits as well.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta. That was mind-blowing. What an amazing collection. And I know this is just a sneak peek. This is just a sample, and you have an elaborate collection. So tell me, where can people connect with you?
Yeah, absolutely. So we would like, if you want to make an appointment, we would like for you to just either send me a text message or send me a message on WhatsApp or call me. Feel free to call me at 214-734-3747. If you're the type who would rather just send me an email, feel free to do that at expressionsbysangeeta@gmail.com. You could also look me up on Facebook at Expressions by Sangeeta.
And that is Expressions by Sangeeta on Fun Asia's showroom under the leadership of Vaishali Thakur. Thank you guys. Enjoy your festivity, and don't stop yourself by not giving yourself a little outside time with your friends in a small meetup when you are meeting up on festive time and wearing jewelry and enjoying the festivity. And I'd love everybody to be safe and happy. Thank you guys, and do enjoy your festivity the way you can. Be safe, that is most important. Times have changed and we are enjoying things in different way, and if it has to be small get-togethers, be it. Of course, small get-togethers, dress up. That will make you happy. And jewelry is also changing a little bit, because when you are meeting in smaller groups, you do not want to be over loud or overly dressed. So we have all that aspects covered, and that is at Expressions by Sangeeta.
And on that note, I would like to say a very, very happy festive season to all of you. And for any questions, give me a call anytime. Thank you very much, Navneeta, for hosting me. Thank you very much to Vaishali Thakur for this opportunity. And thank you, Fun Asia.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta. It was a pleasure having you, and you have a beautiful collection. A very happy Diwali to you and a very happy festivity.
Thank you. Wish you the same, Navneeta. Very happy festive season to you too.
Bye-bye.